Appliance Factory in Mattress Kingdom. Save 30 to 60% off at the nation's largest discount appliance and mattress retailer. Visit us at ApplianceFactory.com.
Hello America, this is Keith, your friendly neighborhood technician, coming back at you this week with some more wonderful information. Today we're talking about fridge food safety. Yes, we're all going out and we're all buying food, which, like I said, is one thing. But now people are starting to overbuy. And when you overbuy, you can actually damage your food and shorten the lifespan of it by not or overloading and crowding your fridge. And I'll show you what I mean by that. Okay, this is a typical side-by-side fridge. Now, the air flows in a certain direction, okay? The airflow, we're going to start here. Your condenser or your evaporator is back here. This is what actually makes the cold. The fan blows it up through here. Some comes out here for your eyes, and the rest of it comes over to here and comes out down here. Okay, and then the less cold air. If you look down here, you see these little vents down here. Well, that's where the air goes back in and makes the circle. Okay, so if I have everything side to side, top to back, the whole thing, I'm not going to get airflow. And if my air is not flowing in a circle like it's supposed to, I'm not going to have proper cooling in my fridge, which means all of my stuff that's supposed to be cold is now not going to be cold, which is going to be more susceptible to potential loss and damage. Okay, so yes, be careful how you stock your fridge. You always want to make sure you have room, front or back or sides, so the air can actually circulate. Okay. Doesn't have to be lots of room, but you want to make sure you have at least some room on all the shelves around so the air can actually roll. Okay, if the air can go around and make circles like it's supposed to, you will actually be able to keep things properly cool. Okay, now also there's a secondary movement of the air. As we all know, warm air rises, cold air drops. So as the air is going this way, you're also getting the warm air, which is getting pushed up, and it basically starts going this way also. So the more space you can give your fridge to work and flow the air, the better your fridge is going to do. Now, like I said, if you block it completely all the way across, all the way around, you've lost airflow. And if you have no airflow, you have no cool, which means you just wasted money on food that you're not going to get use out of. Okay, so be careful, make sure you pack it decently, and you should be fine. So don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel and come back next week for some more wonderful information. Thank you very much.